Hello, everyone. I am Tabitha Yount. I'm the owner of Elegant Homes and Interiors, and welcome to Tuesday Talks with Tabitha on a Wednesday. I'm super excited to be here. I finally snuck in a minute and I thought, okay, I'm going to do my Tuesday Talks with Tabitha with you guys live. And so when you hop on here, tell me what you guys are doing and tell me hello so that I know that I am live. Because it says I'm live, but I don't see anybody and I don't see anything going on. So I hope that I'm live and I hope that this is like somebody's here with me. So when you guys hop on, just tell me what you guys are doing on this Wednesday, not a Tuesday, it's Wednesday. You're not going crazy. I'm doing Tuesday Talks on a Wednesday. So I have some exciting things to share with you guys. We are getting ready for our workshop, Thanksgiving table, the Elegant Thanksgiving table workshop, and we start tomorrow. It's already here, everyone. I'm super excited to do this. I've been getting everything ready and all the things. Hello, I'm finally seeing some people. Yay! Hello, Brenda. Hello, Steve. Hello, Barb. Hello, Carla. Hello, everyone. So tonight I'm going to, on our Tuesday Talks with Tabitha, I'm going to tell you, and we're going to talk about dining rooms. And it's super exciting to talk about dining rooms because this is like what our subject is going to be talking about. We are talking about all about dining rooms, and what better thing to be talking about with the holidays coming up, right? Hi, Barb, getting ready for dinner. Yes, I was going to start that soon. Okay, I wanted to talk about your dining rooms and getting them prepared. A lot of times through the summer, as we've all been going through, we walk through our dining rooms. I mean, they're usually located pretty much in the beginning, right as soon as you walk in the front of your door. And a lot of times we just walk right by them all summer long, all fall, we just kind of walk by them. And now it's time to kind of dust them down and get them ready for the holidays. Because I know that a lot of times people don't use them all year long, but for the holidays when we have guests and we have all the people and we're really basically feeding everyone, we use our dining rooms. And so this is a really good time to kind of get prepared for that. And that's why we're doing the Elegant, basically Thanksgiving dinner table, whatever. I always say it wrong. I'm always really bad about this. I don't know why, you know what I'm talking about. We're having the workshop. So we're going to show you how to get prepared for the Thanksgiving dinner. And what I want to talk about today is a lot of people are saying, wow, we've got a little bit of time. We haven't even did Halloween. Yes, I totally get that. But sometimes we have to prepare that long before we actually have the event. It's kind of like Christmas and all the things. We have to really prepare for this. So what I want to tell you is what I do is a lot of times I'll go in there and the very first thing I do is declutter. As you're going to know, if you follow me at any time or any length or you're in my Elegant community, I always tell you to go in there and declutter, and dust and do all the things. And kind of just give it a fresh overhaul look. But the number one thing I want to tell you that a lot of people do at this time of the year to freshen up their dining rooms, to get them ready, is that the easiest thing, and it really changes at big time, is a good fresh coat of paint. And a lot of times people are like, well, what do I paint my dining room? What are the colors? So I'm going to tell you some of my very favorite colors that I love and show you what they look like today. And I'm going to give you top three. Well, yeah, maybe top three. Top three paint colors that I love and what you're going to see in my house. Because the workshop, if you're in the workshop, which if you're not, you need to join. If you're not in the workshop, but if you're in the workshop, you're going to see my dining room. I have one upstairs and I have one downstairs, and I love color. And if you like have followed me in any length, you're going to hear me say, if there's places in the house to have color, it's always in your dining room. If you're going to put wallpaper, it's in your dining room. I always say this because this is a really fun place to put color and to really explore that color. If you're going to have it anywhere in the house, that's a really great place. First and foremost is because that's a pop of the color, and a lot of people are going to see this area. This is an area where it's right at the beginning of the door, right at the front of the door, and a lot of your guests, a lot of people, that's the first thing that they see. So I definitely say explore that and kind of go fun and have fun with it and go with color. So I definitely love color there. I love color. But let's be honest, guys, color can be really tricky. And if you're not doing it correct, it could be really bad too. I've been in a few homes recently and lately that color, they're like, I love the color whatever color it is, whether it be yellow or it be red or whatever it be, and it's just the wrong color. So color can be a really good friend to you, but it also can be a really wah, wah, wah if you don't have the right colors. And I'm going to kind of tell you what colors I love today. I have had this color in my house probably going on now 15 years. I know. It's a tried and true color. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's not for everyone, but I love it. And it is Red Bay, and it is absolutely stunning. You're going to hear me say this. It goes with, you know, beige. It goes with the creams, which creams are now in. That's really the new hot color for 2022. More of the light and airy colors, the creams, but I still love this red color. I'm going to show it to you here on the palette. It's a Sherwin-Williams product. It's in this pink. See how this is a pink? It's all the way down to the very bottom. It's this Red Bay, and it is super pretty. You can even tell the difference with my nails. See how I've got them on the red side? But Red Bay is an absolute gorgeous. It's even gorgeous on a front door, I'll be honest. But we're talking about dining room, so if you're really loving a pop-up color and you really want something to be really standing out, go with this, guys, especially if you have white woodwork. It is gorgeous and it's stunning, and it is beautiful with every holiday that I've ever had. That's one reason I love it, because I love to decorate, as you know, and Red Bay is so pretty. It's beautiful in the fall, it's beautiful at Christmas, it's beautiful in the summertime. I'm just a red person, so this really goes well. And I will tell you that it's beautiful colors with grays, brown. I put it with every neutral color that I've had in my house, and it's just stunning. You will see this in a lot of homes that I've done. Jason and I, we've remodeled them and stuff. This Red Bay color is stunning. So Red Bay is a win. Whoop. If you love red, try it. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. That's the number one that I've had in my home for years, and I haven't gotten tired of it. You know, I think something is just really good. It's good. You know, that's kind of what I'm going to say. Okay, now downstairs. In the lower level, we have kind of a huge area. That's where we stay a lot. We have a big rec room. I really haven't showed my house, I don't think, a lot. Hello, Barbara. Hello, Shelly. I haven't showed my house a whole lot, but when I do, you'll just kind of see this rec room. You'll see it in the workshop. We are going to show you this. It's more of a smaller area. I don't really say it's a formal, but it's kind of a formal dining room, because that's what it is. And I absolutely love this color, and you've seen me talk about this color too. It's in the blue color. It's navel, and it's absolutely stunning. You cannot go wrong with a good navy. I've had lots of decorators, I've had lots of interior designers talk about navy over the years, and you just can't go wrong with a good one. And navel and Sherwin-Williams, it's this one all the way down to here, and it's super stunning with white woodwork, which is what I have, and it is absolutely stunning in your dining room. I don't know, everything just seems to really flow, and it's really elegant, and it's very masculine. A lot of the men really like this color. It's just really beautiful. You can put plaids with it, you can put leather with it. It's just stunning. I don't know. Kind of like the Red Bay. It's just been a tried and true color. These colors I've tried many times, and they're just stunning. They're just good colors. This navy color, it's called Navel, and it's just beautiful. Every time I use it in a bedroom or even in a dining room, it's just gorgeous. Even decorating with it with whites, or you want to go with all kinds of different colors, it's just good. So that's another one, is Navel for your dining room. So if you're wanting to go in there, get a gallon of paint and try it. Try one of these, okay? The next thing I want to talk to you about is this last, I think it's been what now? Maybe a couple of months. No, I don't think it's been really that long. It's been a couple of weeks maybe. The girls and I kind of loaded up on a Saturday, and we went to the Homes Garden. No, what was it? No, not Home Garden. I think it's the Homes Tour. That's it. Homes Tour in Kansas City. And I noticed a trend. I always try to go with all the trends. I go to all the different markets and things like that to see what's really hot in colors and what's the new thing that's coming up with all the houses. And I'm going to here to tell you, the white on white is kind of a thing that's kind of coming out. You know what's really going in is a lot of the creams. So with that being said, this is talking about dining rooms. I have seen a lot of black dining rooms, and it is stunning. You know, all of you that follow me, if you're in my elegant community, we talk about color at the beginning of the year, and that's just something that we talk about a lot, especially at the beginning of the year, right after the Christmas comes down and all that stuff. But we talk about all the different colors. But ladies, when we went to those homes tours, a lot of the dining rooms and master suites and stuff were really talking about black. I mean, I know that sounds crazy, but I love it. One of my very favorites is peppercorn, but it's not on here today, and that was not one of my choices, so here it is. I really love tricorn. I'm going to tell you tricorn or black magic, which is right here in the book together. And you guys, can you tell the difference between the two? Not much. I'm just telling you. You really can't. But it is absolutely stunning. You put this with a gray or a cream or with a brown or any color, it's absolutely stunning. There's something elegant and very transforming about this. It's bold, it's masculine. A black wall is just absolutely gorgeous. So black magic or tricorn would be one of my very, very favorite if you're gonna go with black. It's just gorgeous, ladies. You won't, I've heard a lot of you guys say you won't try it because it's just like, I don't know. But I'm telling you, you will not be sorry if you ever do one of these. It's just gorgeous. The last house, I think we did try peppercorn. It was peppercorn, but it's kind of in the black. It's in the black family, and it was absolutely gorgeous. We did it with light French gray as the neutrals, and it was beautiful. But yes, I think that black magic or tricorn is just beautiful, which is these two. I really can't tell a whole lot of difference between the two, but a lot of people can once you get it on the wall, and you really can. One's a little darker, one has a little more blue in it, so that makes a big difference when you're talking about a whole wall. But either one of these are my favorite. I've tried both of them. I'm gonna be completely honest. Tricorn black is what you know, the picture with me kind of standing on the staircase in the Willow house, that is tricorn black. That's like my favorite. And it really is gorgeous on a staircase. So if you're thinking about painting your staircase a color, tricorn black is really pretty. But we're talking about dining rooms, and I'm here to tell you, you do the ceiling in a tricorn black or black magic, it's gorgeous. It's stunning. I don't know why I'm whispering. But you mentioned cream. What is the name of the color of cream? Well, we're not talking about cream, but there is some creams, Renee, there is some creams that I have picked out that I do like. I will do this for Renee. Yay for Renee. There is some creams that I really, really do like. One of them is, let me get it up here. Let me pull it up here. One of them is one of my favorites. And I am one of these people, I do not like a real white on white tone completely. I think a little contrast in the walls from the white woodwork is a little prettier, and I think it just stands out and it makes it look a little bit better. Even in a dining room, I think that's really pretty. You're probably never going to hear me say I like white on white. It's just not in me. I don't know why, but it's just not. I'm trying to find it here. This is not my color deck. If it was, it would just go right to it. But one of my very favorite white on white and the cream color, and it's kind of a real soft cream, if I can get to it. Like I said, I was not prepared for this, so hold on. It's called Nice White. Nice White. It's absolutely, it's just beautiful. One of them is, you could really go down, honestly. You could kind of go down the little thing here, but look how pretty that is. See how fresh and clean that is? It's kind of a nice little neutral creamy color, and I just think it's so pretty. So that would probably be one of my very favorite ones there. But there's lots of them, and we will be talking about those in the elegant community this coming January. Is it okay to do the whole staircase railing and steps? Yes, but you definitely want to make sure that the white on the stair treads is white, if that makes any sense. Look at the picture, Veronica. It will help you. The one that I'm sitting in with the kind of the orange pants on and the black top, it'll really help you. But yes, that is stunning. Tricorn Black is one of them. Okay, guys, I hope this was super helpful. If you have any other questions about color, because we take a whole month in the elegant community and we talk about color and where you should put color and where all the colors should go and what colors, because you know what, I'm going to be completely honest. I just had a consultation maybe 2 months or 3 months ago, and the house was going to be sold. The customers asked me if I would come in and tell them what to do to freshen up the house for it to be sold. And I really went through and I changed about every color in their house because it looked almost, they wanted to go with a cream color, but it honestly looked like peach. It looked like a peach color. And I was like, oh no, we can't do that. So I went in and changed it, and I came back and it looked like a whole new house, and the house sold within a week. It's amazing what color can do to your house and your walls and all your furniture and things like that. So if you have any issues with that and you really don't know where to begin, then follow me in the elegant community. Okay, guys, I cannot wait till tomorrow night at 7 o'clock in the workshop. Please be there. We're super excited to get started. Got it ripping up carpet as we speak. Oh my goodness, girl, you're getting it. You go, girl. She's really getting prepared for the holidays. I'm so glad you got it. Okay. If you guys have any questions or anything, please let me know. I'm super excited. We are going to get started tomorrow at 7 o'clock Central Time. And let me know, because I'm super excited. We have all the pretties and everything. And don't be late. Okay, it will be on replay. A lot of people have asked me that. If they can't make it at 7 tomorrow night, it will be on replay in the workshop, so you can still see that. Tabitha, I'm so excited for tomorrow. Me too. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It is going to be wonderful. We're going to have a great time. I know we will. Okay, guys, I got to get prepared and get some supper. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.